Correct answer and fill in the blanks. It is not the it is not one of the major lithospheric plate. So correct answer for this question is Mediterranean plate. Mediterranean plate is not a lithospheric plate. Is not a major lithospheric plate. Second question is an example of a volcano is. An example of volcano is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is an example of volcano. The magnitude of a very destructive earthquake is, अब मैग्नीट्यूड बताना है जो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्टिव होता है, 7 to 9, 7 से लेकर 9 के बीच का जो अर्थक्वेक होता है, इन मैग्नीट्यूड्स का जो अर्थक्वेक होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्टिव होता है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, 7 or above. Which of the following feature is not formed by a river in a mountain? That is Minder. Minder. Okay. Next is extensive loss deposits are found in North China. Correct answer is North China. Now state whether true or false. Dormant volcano is one which has no record of eruption. False. Dormant volcanoes are the kind of volcanoes which has not erupted over a long time but can erupt anytime. So this statement is wrong. Okay. Next, funnel shaped depression at the top of a volcano is called vent. No. funnel shape का like this, जिससे लावा बाहर आता है या मेंटल इरप्ट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेंट. इसे वेंट कहते हैं. लेकिन जो फनल शेप होता है लाइक दिस, ये जो फनल शेप है इसे क्रैटर कहते हैं. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट, मोस्ट एक्टिव volcanoes are found volcanoes of the world are located in the Atlantic Ring of Fire. Wrong. This statement is also false because most active volcanoes of the world are found in Pacific Ring of Fire. Next is rivers are the most important agent of gradation. True. This statement is true. Next, a gorge is also called a T-shaped valley. False. This statement is wrong. Next, the Earth's crust is divided into 7 major lithospheric plates. SEVEN, 7. Mauna Loa is an example of active volcano. ACTIVE, active volcano. The leveling of the Earth's surface by natural processes is called gradation. GRADATION, gradation. Next, a triangular shaped area of alluvial deposits near the mouth of river is called a delta. 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 Next, glaciers have their origin in snow fields. Snow fields. SNOWFILFIELDS. Fields. Snow fields. Dash is an almost vertical wall of rock formed by wave erosion. That is called sea cliff. That is called sea cliff. SEACLIFF. Cliff. Sea cliff.